Hi friends, welcome to Nursing Manthra. I hope all you are keeping well. Today I am going to discuss regarding how we can transfer our MOH license to DHA, Ministry of Health UAE license to Dubai Health Authority DHA license. If you have the license, MOH license, which is activated, after 1 month of license activation, you can transfer your MOH license to DHA. What are the documents required for MOH license transfer to the DHA? You must get the good standing certificate from MOH website, and after that the data flow report which you have done for MOH, that we have to transfer to the DHA. You must provide your MOH license, MOH evaluation letter, then you must provide your MOH good standing certificate and MOH experience also. And apart from that, other documents like your educational documents, which all are the documents you submitted for the MOH process, like your home country registration, your educational mark list, transcript, okay, good standing certificate, then all other BLS, basic life support certificate, all other documents you have to provide here. How is the process of the transfer? First, we must apply MOH good standing certificate in the website. After that, we have to do the data flow transfer to the DHA. Old data flow transfer, MOH data flow which you have done, that we can transfer to the DHA. Plus, addition to that, we have to do the data flow additional components verification for MOH license, MOH good standing certificate and MOH experience. Once you complete the data flow verification, usually it takes 25 to 30 days and all, it depends on the authority responding to the data flow, then we can apply for the eligibility letter. No need for the exam. Don't worry, if you need any assistance for doing the data flow verification process or the transferring license transfer process, you can contact Nursing Manthra at any time. We are ready to assist you. Arranging your documents, arranging your good standing certificates, all things you can contact Nursing Manthra. How much will be the expense for MOH license transfer to the DHA? MOH good standing certificate, which will cost you 520 dirhams. After that, the data flow transfer, 210 dirhams data flow transfer, plus additional document data flow, it will be around 930, 960 dirhams, like that it will be. Once you complete the data flow verification, then we must apply for the eligibility letter, that will cost you 220 dirhams. This will be the expense for your license transfer from MOH to DHA. I hope all you understood this video regarding how we can transfer MOH license to DHA.